You okay now? He keeps sneezing. You okay now? Oh, no. And I'm gonna sit before I fall. Stay. Stay. You're gonna go. He just randomly started sneezing out of the blue. You gonna go again? What was that? Oh, bless you. Stay there. You gonna go again? You gonna go again? You keep licking your nose and you keep sneezing. You gonna go again? He's too funny, you guys. I'm sitting far away from him because I don't want his snot all over me. Here he goes again. It fell out from here. What? Did you give yourself the hiccups? Stay. Did you give yourself the hiccups? Huh? There he goes again. I see that nasty smile on your face. What are you doing? You okay now? He gets like a grin on his face before he sneezes. You okay now? You alright now? You okay? I see that. I see that grin on your face. Yes, I do. What? Are you done now? You okay? Just to show you guys how far away from him I actually was. I can now touch him. I was so far away last time that I couldn't get to him. I don't know why you like your armpit scratched so much. That's a little weird. That's a little puppy weird. So, for those of you who are wondering, he's got a running nose. Oh my god. For those of you who are wondering, this is not... I'm waiting for him to do it again. This is not... Oh, you're okay. This is not a pit bull. It's actually quite the opposite. He is what they call... You gonna go again? He is what they call a black-mouthed cur. And he's 2 years old. Huh. Yeah. But yes, this is not a pit bull. That one, however, is. You better not be bootlicking in there, missy. I need to get a rug to cover that. But, yeah. Oh, there he goes again. Focus. But yeah. 3 minutes of Mufasa sneezing.